Hello. Today we are going to talk about visual discrimination. It simply means when we are trying to differentiate between objects, telling them apart or whether they are same. So if you need to classify objects based on their color, position, form, texture, pattern, size or shape, it all comes under visual discrimination. So it helps us to pay attention to details in a picture or even in our surroundings. So at home, if we are trying to match our clothes, our socks or even shoes, that is visual discrimination. If during play kids are trying to differentiate or sort beads or coins together, that is also visual discrimination. When children during writing have to figure out which of these is small b and small d, which one is small p or small q, or even differentiating between the number 5 and the alphabet S is based on our visual discrimination skills. So similar words or any kind of differences in pictures, all of these skills which are utilized in reading, writing, maths, or even following maps is visual discrimination. The visual discrimination activities that can be practiced by kids include use of matching cards or even using an activity where we have to find the odd one out. Second activity could be sorting, which could be done based on color or size, for example with beads. We can start with 2 categories of beads like maybe red and blue color, and then increase the colors or the size so that the child has more challenge. Another form in which the same activity can be done is when the beads have to be matched with the container in which they are placed. So all the red ones go in the red container, blue ones in the blue container, the yellow ones in the yellow container, and so on. To ease this activity, you can make the child learn to first complete all the beads that belong to the first container, maybe the red one, then move on to the next color. Third category could be when the child has to try to differentiate between maybe 2 shapes like a circle and a square, which are more dissimilar because a circle has no sides and a square has 4. But then move on to more similar categories like trying to differentiate between a circle and an oval. In a similar way, light and dark of the same color can also be used, like light green and dark green, light blue and dark blue, and so on. The fifth activity could be done in a book or a paper where maybe the child has to try to find a similar object in an array like a hidden object game, or even they have to try to find as many similar objects as possible. The sixth activity could be details, like there are different kinds of snowflakes and the child has to try to find similar snowflakes. The seventh is use of puzzles, which can be started from pieces which are 3 to 4 and then continued on till the child can do as big a puzzle as possible. These activities are going to help not only those kids who find it difficult to read and write, but also in general for developing the visual discrimination skills of a child so that they do not develop any kind of problem even in the future. Please use these activities on a regular basis. Comment below if you have any other video suggestions for me. We will meet again soon. Bye.